Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Drama Drop, where we dive into the latest news that's got everyone talking. Today, we're discussing a major Supreme Court decision that's got LGBTQ+ advocates and military families on edge. The Trump administration just got the green light to enforce its transgender military ban, which means thousands of openly transgender troops are facing uncertainty about their future in the military. The policy, introduced by Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, was initially met with widespread backlash and has been at the center of a heated legal battle. Now we know what you're thinking. How did this get to the Supreme Court? Well, it all started when President Trump signed an executive order just days into his second term, banning transgender athletes from competing in women's sports. It was a move that sparked outrage and cemented the administration's stance on transgender individuals serving openly in the military. But what's really at play here is discrimination, plain and simple. The Trump administration claims that including transgender service members compromises unit cohesion and military readiness. But where's the evidence to support this? Actually, there is some pretty compelling data that suggests otherwise. For instance, a 2016 Rand Corporation study commissioned by the Pentagon found no link between allowing transgender service members and decreased unit cohesion or readiness. In fact, the study showed that the costs of gender transition-related care were minimal and had zero impact on operational effectiveness. So, why is this policy still in effect? Well, it's because the Supreme Court has effectively paused an injunction issued by a Seattle-area federal judge, allowing the Trump administration to move forward with enforcing the ban. But here's the thing, this decision doesn't mean the fight is over. LGBTQ+ advocacy groups are already firing back, calling the court's ruling a devastating blow to the thousands of transgender troops who have proven themselves to be valuable members of the military. And it's not just about the policy itself, it's about the message it sends to other marginalized groups that their contributions can easily be dismissed. The case is still making its way through the courts, but one thing is clear. This decision throws a major wrench into progress for LGBTQ+ rights within the military. It also serves as a reminder that civil rights gains can always be rolled back, and that the battle for equality is never truly won. So, what's next? Well, we'll be keeping a close eye on this case as it continues to unfold. In the meantime, let's continue to amplify the voices of those who are fighting for their right to serve with pride, and to hold our leaders accountable for the actions they take. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Drama Drop.